I'm here today to give you an update on Not. We're going to be breaking this down from a technical analysis perspective, looking at market structure, looking at potential key buying areas for this asset, and also potentially price predictions for what is going through and what we can sort of be looking for here, guys. So just starting off with some super basic TA. This is a completely blank chart. We want to be starting off probably. I mean, we can do the daily. So yeah, let's break this down together. That's going to be the low. Sort of the floor price there, and from that point we haven't actually seen any sort of high-low market structure on the macro here, so we are going to have to dump it down to the 4-hour and see if we can create something here in terms of a market structure to give us sort of those respectable pullback areas, which will be acting as higher lows on the journey down that we are potentially going to see here. So you can see this is what I've drawn in so far: 4, 7, and 11 there, up to 1 cent there. Good stuff. This would be the low. Okay, this would be the low. This would be the higher low. Pullback, break that high, confirming that higher low. Again, coming up, pullback, breaking this high here with this move. This would be the higher low as well. Not actually there. It would be here. And this is basically the bullish market structure that we're looking out for. So as long as we're above 1 cent one, we are still bullish, guys. It's good stuff, but it does mean that it is potentially a 26% price fluctuation here. Okay, for us still to be in this this bullish market structure. Now you're probably saying like, oh, why isn't this a higher low? This isn't a higher low yet, guys, because we haven't broke this high. Okay, we need to break this high to confirm this as a higher low market structure point. So yeah, definitely interesting. Not looking too hot right now, but potential for maybe a bull flag, maybe something along the lines of that, right? So this is the TA that we would be drawing in just off the bat. We're going to Control C, Control V that bad boy, see if we can get any sort of confluence there. There we go, looking lovely. Little bit of spillage to the downside here, completely natural when this happens. But essentially what this means, guys, it's a continuation chart pattern, and this can mean a move to the upside of 27%. Very clean, very nice. Not looking too bad. I do want to get some volume weighted ATR bands here up in this, but they don't seem to be working. I don't know why they're not working on this chart. Let's see if we can get some lower numbers here. They should be working. I don't know why they're not working. Here we go. There they are. Come to say hello today. Good stuff. Yeah, so these are very, very important here when we are trading this from a perspective like this. Ideally, we can see a breakout scenario coming through, and we will be using that 60-minute volume weighted ATR band as a clean TP zone, okay? And that'll be around 1 cent 7. So the reason why we're doing that is you can see the resistance of this bad boy is super, super strong, okay? And the distance here is it's still going to be a nice trade of around 4 or 5% there, but yeah, definitely an area to really, really be cautious of there for Not overall. But yeah, Not overall. Continuation chart pattern to the upside looks quite strong. Let's get some MAs and see if we can get any sort of other confluences there. And guys, if you like the content, drop a little like on it. It does help out the channel tremendously. We've just cleared the 55 MA as well, looking pretty good for a level of support. So yeah, this is looking clean for a breakup. If you go back to when we last cleared the 55, we actually saw a really nice big swoop to the upside there in terms of bullish momentum there. So yeah, looking pretty strong overall for that breakout up to that that volume weighted ATR band on the 60-minute. Probably looking at around 5% there, or maybe even 6% there. Looking really, really, really strong there. Good stuff. But yeah, that is going to be it for... Actually, no, let's look at the Quantum Insight and let's see what we're working with there. Stochastic super high. That means usually we're going to see a bit of a downwards momentum. We are seeing, actually, upwards momentum breaking structure. Okay, and this is interesting because this technically means that... we could see a nice move. Okay, this is actually quite a good sign to see something like this. I would be vigilant for this point. Okay, the 60.79. If we can get above that, then from this momentum standpoint, if we can get above that, then that will probably, let me try and get the chart back. I don't know where it's gone. That'll probably line us up for the entry point. Okay, entry point up to that volume weighted ATR band on the 60-minute, worth around 6% for that long there. So yeah, overall, not looking pretty good. That makes sense. Not the coin is looking pretty good. So yeah, just waiting for that momentum move to the upside, and potentially a bit of sideways momentum to bring this RSI down a bit, and then we could potentially have a secondary wave like so that is plotted in here, right? But yeah, that's going to be your update from Not. Let me know what you think in the comment section. All good stuff. If you like it, drop a like on it. If you want to see more, notification bell on. You're never going to miss one of our uploads. That's going to be it from me. Peace out.